fly. You have to write. You have to say no.
No.
You will not fly today.
You will not fly tomorrow.
You will not fly next week.
You will never fly.
I will try.
Goodbye.
You will not fly.
She will not fly.
Fly, 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 fly. What?
Fly, 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 fly.
You need help.
Thank you. I do need help.
I will get help.
Very good.
Good job, Wesley.
I don't say anything, huh? What does that say?
It's your turn.
Oh, it's my turn? Okay. Woof, woof, woof.
Woof, woof, woof.
I did it! I flew!
Thank you for your help.
Very good. You did not fly.
I did not fly.
You jumped.
I am.
It was a big jump.
It was a big jump, but you did not fly.
I will try again.
I will eat lunch.
Okay, you say it nicely.
I will eat lunch.
Goodbye.
Fly, fly, fly.
Oof.
You need help.
Okay, can you say it nicely?
Well, that's his voice I'm making.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I do need help.
Will you help me?
I will help you.
Chomp.
Thank you.
Hello?
Hello.
You are flying.
You are flying today.
Very good. My friend can fly. She can fly.
Flying.
You are not flying?
I'm getting some help.
Thank you for your help.
Tomorrow I will fly.
Good luck. The end.
Wheat Thins. Tonight's book, Today I Will Fly, by Mo Willems, has been brought to you by Thin Wheats.
And courtesy of the Olathe Public Library.
That's right.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, tell the world, thank you for reading with me.
Thank you for reading with me.
And also a message for Ms. Tina. Say thank you for the last year. I will miss you.
Thank you for your last year. I'll miss you.